Where do you find your everyday carry gear? I personally have been shopping on TikTok Shop recently, so I got some items and I want to see what you think about them.
Let's see what you got. Oh, why are you hiding it behind there?
Everything's EDC, so it's very tiny, so I can't hide it. Yeah.
Can you make a sound effect? Nice. Oh, wallet, cool. It's like the Secret wallet. Trigger. Secret, there's another one that does this. Grip 6?
Yeah, there's a whole slew of wallets that do that kind of like push card up design.
We got the carbon fiber pattern here, but it's some kind of fake leather, pleather. We got a warranty card. I don't know, it feels all right. Did you put some cards in here?
This here has sold over 50K.
Sweet. So the Secret wallet, this is about 100 bucks. Grip 6 is, I don't know, I think it's less than that, but they're both way smaller in terms of like the size.
And they come with like, you can get the
different
extra
colors.
things. Well, these like.
Oh, the nylon for the outside.
Yeah,
or
the
whatever.
nylon for the outside. So we've got like a bunch of different storage here. It feels smoother than I thought it would be.
It's not bad.
But it is
for
kind
20
of like,
bucks.
It feels, what
it's
is
like,
it?
it's so big.
It's aluminum and then a microfiber leather.
Still though, I mean, feel this compared to that one in terms of like the trigger mechanism.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice.
If you have one of these too, like that's important. Like if you like this kind of mechanism, like I could care less. I'm fine flipping through my cards, but like it could be worth spending a little bit more for the smaller size and like the smooth trigger. But it's not bad, not terrible. What's next?
I've seen this a bunch. Interested to hear your
I wonder
thoughts.
if I've seen it. No, I haven't.
Just give me like a thought about what this could be.
Bottle
for.
sling.
Well, he figured it out very quickly, so okay.
For sure. Oh, it's for Stanley.
The
Okay,
big
cool.
boy Stanley.
The big boy. Okay, what's up with this handle thing? Is this supposed to unvelcro?
Yeah, Velcro on the other side.
That's very special.
Yeah, the user thing.
Yeah. Oh my
So this
gosh.
is a neoprene material, so it's really, really stretchy.
Yeah.
It's like the same thing that they make wetsuits out of.
Is there different colors? This color is a bit like, I don't know.
They have a bunch of different colors,
Nude?
yeah.
Okay, I don't know. This
Yeah,
color seems
so
weird.
that's good.
Not
But
good zippers, I can already
these
tell.
pockets are killing me because they're like the weirdest shape. I have my phone here, actually.
Oh yeah, they kind of like taper down too. I wonder if that was like a design
Let's see if my...
flaw because it tapers down. Oh yeah.
So it's a perfect size for a regular size iPhone.
It looks better.
That looks better when there's actually something on the inside there.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's fine. Like, what are your thoughts, Lauren?
I just think there are more efficient ways to carry a large water bottle than this.
But how?
That like, just get, I guess for me, it's just like get a larger bag.
gonna
With
put mine,
Stanleys,
like-
Stanleys are notorious for actually leaking. So
Oh,
if
they
that
are?
thing would like flip upside down or something, then you're
Yeah.
at risk of that. That looks so good.
Fine. How else would you carry this bottle if not for this sling and not in your hand?
I would just pick a different bottle.
Yeah. Well, pick a different bottle. I'm loving the reveals. Can we do the small gear all the time?
Yeah.
You're just like,
I'm like, don't look at it.
there's like a weapon under
This
there.
one too, it's like
Oh
contraband.
gosh, it is contraband. It's like, I thought you were gonna stab me with that thing. Yeah, Mighty Bar, cool. What is it? It's a pry bar?
It's a multi-tool in the sense of you can just do a lot of different things with it, but really not that many things with it.
Yeah, I mean, you can open
Package opener.
is it a flathead screwdriver?
Technically, in some videos, they show themselves like opening like a pop can, like getting under tabs of things, using it to like scrape gunk off of something, just kind of like flat. Feels really sturdy, and I like the Mighty Bar that's like on it. It's like etched in.
Yeah.
Like it feels
Little
very
debossed.
quality, which is really good. And it's at the time of shooting this video, it's only $10.
I'm curious too, like if you're into EDC, you probably already have something better than this.
Right.
Or there's a better option. There's something smaller, there's something lighter, there's something more functional than this.
Yeah, exactly.
It looks cool, it looks minimal. Probably will get taken from me at the airport, at least in Malaysia.
Yeah,
where
they
mine
do
got
say
taken like twice.
people say that they've been able to get on planes with it, but it just depends on who you're flying with.
Yeah,
and,
who your agent is.
Yeah, who you're. They say from opening boxes to splitting firewood, because you know if you split firewood and you stick it in there and you can.
Oh, sweet. So it's like a chisel as well.
Yeah.
That's cool, because you couldn't do that with a multi-tool.
It's stainless steel, so like it's sturdy
Yeah, you
enough
couldn't do
to.
that with some multi-tools. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, for $10, kind of like whoop.
One everyday essential you can't find on TikTok is tech to block robocalls and junk emails from clogging up your inbox. That's why I like working with Incogni, this video's sponsor. The number of data breaches worldwide is increasing every year, and they help keep my info safe without me lifting a finger. Anytime I sign up for travel rewards and hotel deals, I'm at risk of data brokers getting details like my home address or even financial information and selling it to other businesses. Incogni has found my info on about 400 sites and removed it from more than 350 since I started working with them. My spam calls stopped virtually overnight and I didn't have to do anything. Incogni reaches out to those data brokers on my behalf to get my information removed and handles any objections, which could be a full-time job even if I knew who to call. I just sign in with the email I want spam removed from and Incogni does the rest. Plus, their family plan allows me to share my subscription with 4 more people. They're giving PackHacker viewers a 60% discount on an annual plan when you use code PackHacker using the link down in the description below. Now let's get back to some more TikTok gear.
All right, so if you don't know where to put that mighty bar, it can go on your keychain, or
Keychain,
it can go in the EDC storage bag, I think is what this is called.
It's a taco.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Let's see it. What kind of zipper we got? We don't know.
Yeah, it also just says...
Just the zippers, I just...
It's regular price about $10. It was on sale for like 4.
Yeah, okay.
And
$4?
Yeah, and it says the material is textile.
Got it.
So,
and you got the Velcro for the PackHacker patch if you're a pro member, which is sweet. Right there, and then you got like 2 exterior pockets. It feels sturdy.
Yeah, surprisingly sturdy.
Yeah, it looks like the craftsmanship looks decent. Like it's got some nice ballistic nylon on the inside. I kind of wish these were stretchy, but these are. Kind of like reminds me of Tom Bin almost. Like the way that some of their interior pouches are laid out and then just the color. I don't love the zipper, but again, it's small enough, it's probably fine. And like for $4.
I know, that's kind of what I think about it too. It's got a decent amount of storage. I mean, it's not overly large. It packs out well because it's got, you know, the back is like pretty beefy. Like
it's like a bound book on the back.
A couple inches worth of depth
That's
there
true,
that you can work with.
Sometimes these don't have depth. Not bad.
I think I would probably go for something a little bit more quality than this if I was trying to keep like my really important stuff safe. But for the most part, like if you just need something in the meantime while you're looking for something better. Pretty solid option.
That's your jam.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm interested to hear your thoughts on this one specifically because I feel like we've been talking about these a bit more.
Umbrella.
A little umbrella.
Nice. I like it. I like the size. It's not as small as the Devec. I know that because I have that thing sitting in my car.
And the Montbell one is way skinnier.
Very skinny,
Yeah. So this was a lot prettier when we first got it. It was wrapped so nicely, and then when I opened it and then had to reclose it.
I am not going to open this inside. Bad luck. I'm not going to do that.
I already did it. I did it last week.
Are these like plastic? Yeah, these are a little bit cheap.
Yeah.
On this side. I mean, that's always the problem with these umbrellas, right? Is like these things break.
Yeah.
Or something gets off kilter and it's like...
Here, I'll take one for the team.
Oh my gosh.
I'll take one for the team.
Hold on, everyone.
There we go. Did
Bad
you hear that
luck.
like crack into place? It was like getting a chiropractor.
Yeah. Chiropractor. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, it's a little wrinkly. It feels pretty cheap.
It does feel very cheap. So it's $10 regular price. It's about 4 on sale. They've sold about 10K of them. Definitely try and like wrap that up because that was really the one thing that
This is too low, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually they put that kind of like two-thirds of the way down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a little, it's fine though. As long as I can get it in here. I feel like these are always a little bit of a pain.
So I think for me the biggest thing would be I imagine that this one gust of wind is going to flip this thing inside out because I've had sturdier umbrellas do that in the worst kind of storm. So or not even a terrible storm, honestly. And that's never fun. That's happened to me before.
You're gonna spend a little bit more. It's likely gonna avoid that.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. You're probably gonna recognize the style of this.
Ooh, the Orbit key or the Ridge.
So,
yeah, it is like the Ridge exactly, isn't it?
it's the Ridge exactly.
Oh, it's literally the Ridge.
Exact same style, exact same clip, the whole shebang. They really they went full dupe on this one. The biggest difference is with the Ridge, it's like a flathead multi-tool to open it. And with this one, it's a hex and it comes with like, so
like
this
a computer
one,
screw.
It's aluminum, $10 regular price and then about 5 on sale.
It's a little bit like chunkier than the Ridge.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a pretty close direct. The Ridge hardware does look a little bit better.
The material feels heavier and sturdier. There's also a little bit more give on this end here, which
silicone or whatever that
which
rubber
I
end.
think just like it lends itself better to just being a little bit more like compact. Whereas this here is very rigid.
Oh yeah.
You can also see that it's almost like right here, it's almost like popping open already.
Split.
Over time, that might be a little bit wonky if you sit on it weird or something like that.
I've had a key organizer where they kind of like have fallen off before or sprayed out everywhere. That's never good.
Yeah, it's like the one thing you don't want to lose.
No. Go Ridge.
Go Ridge. All right, we've got another dupe.
Oh man, why? Oh, the Rolling Square In Charge 9000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, what is this? This is a little different though. Like, it is dupe, but like that looks exactly the same. But this is like Swiss Army, like, difference.
Yeah.
In Charge, here it is, the new one. Fresh out of the box, haven't even tested it yet. Yeah, this is the same design as they've always done. It looks like it comes off the back. Ooh, this is like sturdier than the last one. It's less like flingy aroundy.
Yeah.
That's got the Zippo lighter opening.
Yeah, this makes me nervous. This like sitting on the rail.
Oh yeah.
Because it feels very, I don't know, it feels very flimsy in there. Or like you can I don't know, it's so skinny. I feel like I'm gonna Hulk it out on accident and like either break where it's connected or break.
You don't feel that way
somehow.
with this though? I guess I feel like, I mean, I guess there's 2 points.
To me it feels so much more like built in. It's like recessed in.
Also, this has like that metal on metal feel and sound.
Yeah, it's not great. It's not great. I do like this though, the new Rolling Square has like this actually attached to it.
I like that
and
too.
that's a similar vibe to this where it has this little cap.
Is this cable skinnier too?
Yeah,
a little bit
so
skinnier.
This one's a little bit skinnier. So this is about $10 as well. It's a little less than $10.
Okay.
So it's just not as quality made, and I feel like if you're gonna, I don't know, if you're looking for a very specific design, like I've bought like the In Charge. I think I bought the In Charge X as gifts before.
I bought it
a couple
for gifts
of different
before
times.
too.
It makes an
People
incredible
love them.
gift. Yeah,
people love
exactly.
them.
Another little cutesy guy.
Oh, I saw this over there. It looks super cute.
Yeah. So they say this is like an earphone storage.
Why does it like say new and then like this is crossed out? I smile?
I think it's just saying smile, but the smile is.
Oh, I smile. Yeah,
smile.
no, you're right. Smile. Okay, got it. This label is tripping me out, but it looks cool. Oh, it's like kind of like a felty interior. What is this?
It says 100% linen and corduroy.
Oh yeah,
this
for sure
is
corduroy.
like when you're like stitching things. This is sometimes a material
Leftover
that's like
fabric tape. Is that what it is?
it's like when things are being like embroidered on.
Yeah.
Like that'll be there as they're doing it. So I don't know if that's like they intend to leave that or if that's just like the backing of the material. But
super clean interior. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, you're getting what you pay for with this one for sure. But it is a nice little cute pouch. We're big fans of pouches that can hold on to little tiny gear that we have when we're on like an airplane or something like that. I personally like that there's like a clip, because
the
it
clip is very stiff.
Yeah, it feels like a nice value add. I mean, that's like a Tom Bin style thing where they have the clips on the outside.
Tom Bin style, emphasis on the style. I kind of like that there's a D-ring on here too. It's like you could attach this to something and you could attach something smaller to this thing.
Yeah,
I don't know what you're doing there.
Whatever you want.
Maybe you could do this just to feel more secure.
Yeah, for about $6, you can do whatever you want.
There you go.
And also, it was on sale for what, less than $3?
What? Go buy it right now.
$2.50?
Oh my gosh.
I can't wait to hear what you think about this one.
Oh my gosh. She just hits me up. She teased me up for this stuff. She's just gassing it up. Okay. Oh. Whoa, is this a light?
Yes. So,
Like a bike light?
So they say it's a car light. Here, if you put it in this.
Okay, wait, this is a completely separate thing, right?
This is completely separate.
item.
We're using this to show the usefulness of the light. You put it in that
Wait,
one.
it's a car light?
Put it in that one. I guess that one works too. So it's just an LED light. It's just a little LED light.
I guess if you're gonna have it in your car forever, you know what though? I did learn this. I learned this, I think it was my old Nissan, 2011 Nissan Rogue. There was like this orange light that was always on the top. And I was like, it actually does help. Because I like covered it up once, but it's like this level of like brightness.
Yeah, very like low light.
Yeah,
very
low light. I was
relaxed.
like, there's no way this helps. But then I like covered it up and I was like, okay, it kind of does. Like it gives you enough.
Right. Plug
That
it into.
looks so silly.
I know,
but like,
it really does. People were talking about how you can put it into your laptop, which we can't because we only have USB-C ports. So.
Well, that's when you just get a dongle to install that thing.
Can you imagine? You
Gotta
just
be worth it.
have a whole setup just to get this light on. But somebody did bring up you can put it in a battery bank,
Okay, cool.
which is kind of nice. I mean, like if you want a little extra light, you can
I thought
put
it
it
was
in
gonna
your
be like
car.
a flashlight though.
No.
Why would you plug it into your computer?
That's kind of what I'm thinking too. So it's just
can
really
see
like
it?
goofy to me. Like it's such an interesting function. It seems like something that you just kind of like put somewhere and then you enjoy it.
It's like one of those EDC items where you're like, why?
Yeah.
But like if you're into EDC, like you've bought everything else. And you're just like, what else can I get? How about a USB-C light for my car?
Right. And it comes in a bunch of different colors. You don't have to get red. It's very interesting.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's interesting. That's the right word for it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but for, a couple bucks. All right, this one.
Leatherman.
Oh, wait. You can open it.
It's a Leatherman.
It's something.
Oh, whoa. There's no way this is TSA compliant.
Yeah.
It's just,
yeah.
wow. You just imagine rolling up to a potluck with this thing and being like, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Like, look at this thing.
You're like, where are my mashed potatoes?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Holy cats.
So there's also a knife in here.
Okay.
And I'm curious if you can figure out how to get to it.
Yeah, I see it in there.
Because Ahmad and I were also confused. I accidentally dropped it on the floor and then we figured it out.
Yeah, I have no idea.
You're like, I figured it out really fast. So with the fork, this one, you like pull it down and there's a little hook on the other side of the fork that hooks in there.
Okay, so this actually makes a lot more sense. So this can be separate.
That's what we were
You're
thinking
not
too.
like, it's not like silverware nunchucks. Well, that one still is, because you can't take that spoon off, right?
Yeah, so you can't use the spoon and the knife at the same time, but you can use the fork and the other ones at the same time.
I like the smaller ones better, like the little card one that we have, like GoSun. I like that a little bit better. But, I mean, yeah, I get it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Corkscrew is insane. That does feel satisfying to hold on to.
Yeah,
I'm here to eat some Captain Crunch.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. So that's some fun EDC gear that we found while we were scrolling on TikTok. Which out of all of these was your favorite?
Let's go look. I want to take a quick look, review everything, because I think I have something in mind. I mean, it's not necessarily super functional, but I think I like this little guy the best. I think it just looks really cute. I think the interior is a little bit weird, but I just like the way it looks, and I've never really seen a corduroy pouch.
I know.
So it's kind of cool to see that.
Yeah, a little fun aesthetic. I think that my hot take, the Mighty Bar, but specifically because I think it's something that's a really good gift for people who you think would want something like this.
It does look pretty.
Yeah, it looks very nice. It feels like a nice quality made item for the price that it is.
Who could use it as a doorstop too?
You probably could, honestly.
Maybe, if the door's low enough.
Yeah, so I think that it's just very well made. I was very impressed with that out of everything on this list.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
There you have it. Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
See you in the next video.